quite comprehensive.
What do you like about the app?
Well, that's so comprehensive that shows everything in the one. That's all in there. It's not just coffees and stuff. It's also sandwiches and and milkshakes.
Okay. So, would you use the app?
I would do, yeah.
And how often do you think you would use it?
Probably every day. I'd be constantly buying stuff. It'd actually be a bad influence.
Would you recommend it?
Yeah, I would recommend it. Yeah.
If you were to change anything about it, what do you think you would change?
Well, I'd actually like to go in and pay for the stuff.
Okay.
That's what I'd like to be able to do.
Cool.
So I can just kind of pick it up.
And for the displays for the price tags, which one did you prefer? The one over the foods or the one over the drinks?
Probably the one over the foods.
Okay.
I do like it. It's okay. It's just as an app goes, it's not too bad. I wouldn't say it's in terms of me interacting with it. It's very simple. I think I should keep it really simple. That's just kind of saving grace.
Would you use the app?
Depending if this was particularly busy and I didn't want to wait in a queue, and I could pre-order so that there would be a separate section there. You come in and grab your bag, and it's already prepaid for. Yeah, I would. I think I would. Yeah.
How often do you think you would use it?
Probably about once a week if I was in town. Yeah, that's it.
Would you recommend it?
If it's functioning fine and the food's good, yeah, I would recommend it.
So you said you would include a pre-ordering function. Is there anything else you would change about it?
Just in terms of the graphics on it, I think I changed the backgrounds and to a little bit. Just visually now, I think people are more interested. You want to be more. You're looking at something. Things are happening. Although it is simple, the icons don't pop out. They're grayed out. I think they need to be changed, and they could maybe be either interactive themselves. You can have a little bit of steam coming out of the coffee or something. Just that's the way apps go these days.
Yeah.
The more interactive they are, the better.
Okay. And which price tag system did you prefer? The one in the food or the one on the drinks?
Just check here. I think the yellow star with it looks kind of the £1 shop. I think it doesn't reflect. It depends on what kind of customer you're going for. As a general customer, that looks like it's kind of a wee bit tacky, a wee bit cheap.
Okay.
I'd revisit that sort.
see the different prices, and it's very precise. You can see all the different drinks, and everything is very detailed. So I guess that's pretty good.
Would you use the app?
Yeah, I think so. I admit that I didn't know this coffee shop because I'm not very. I don't know all the things in Dundalk, but yeah, if I would totally use this.
How often do you think you would use it?
Maybe every time I would go to this coffee shop, so I don't know, maybe one time a week or one time for 2 weeks or something.
Okay. Would you recommend the app?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
And if you were to change anything about it, what would you change?
Honestly, this is good. Maybe the pink color.
Okay.
But that's because I have to say something.
Yeah, that's fair. And then, which price tag format did you prefer, the food one or the drink one?
I think I prefer the drink, the price tag for the drinks.
Okay.
Like this.
Do you like the graphics of the app, like the general overall look of everything?
I understood every icons, so yeah, I think it's pretty efficient.